Okay, guys, today we'll be doing some game night. Who the hell chose chess? Why? It's a two-player game. Joseph's over there sitting miserably. Idiot! Man, yeah, I thought you were smarter than me. Okay, I chose my cat piano as a game. Oh my god, it's not even making cat noises. Okay, there we go. Yeah, whoever makes the best cat song wins. And yeah, I don't really know how to play these two other games. Anyways, let's go. Which game first? Shut up. Take turns. Okay, I'll go first because it's my gosh darn piano. Okay. There. Who's next? Who's next? Junior, you going next? Go. Try. Okay. What the hell was even that? Okay, I'm gonna sit down and let Joseph go.
What was wrong?
That was garbage. Yeah, dude. For some reason, Joseph says "dude" after every sentence. So yeah, it's my turn, dude. Okay. Okay, let me do this. There, how was mine? Mine was better than yours, actually. Okay, let's play my game now. Hey, let's play my game now. Jenga. Oh. Okay. Right here. Playing Jenga right here. Right here. Now, I'm gonna figure out how to fucking build this crap. Build it. Non-commercial is
Reagan Anderson may be your patient in prison, but on the night before Watson's wedding, she was just the girl. So when did you get started?
Guess what? I can move the cat.
Did the doctor say what was wrong?
They gave me these first pills.
Bum, 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 bum. Cat commercial.
gardens. We drive over here with Father Ray for round 2.
You already talked about that.
What's his name? Commercial break over. Commercial break over. Commercial break over. Okay, you done building it? Wait, what the fuck? Joseph, get over here! Sorry, dude. You done building it, Joseph? Okay, come on. Okay, who's going first? Who's going first? Hey, who's going first?
This is, do it again. He goes first.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, fuck. Shit. Sit down here.